The following segment is sponsored by Ottalaus Salon. Get ready to enjoy fabulous hair all the time. We've got Anne-Marie and Maddie here to show us the secrets of achieving salon quality hair at home. Welcome to the show, ladies.
Thanks for having us. We're so excited today.
So it can be done, and they are going to show you how to get salon hair. Maddie, take it away.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna start with our front section.
And I'm noticing this is a pretty good sized section that you're grabbing.
Yes, a pretty big section in front.
Really want to get that volume, because that's the big thing. When you have a blowout at home, like when I do it at home, there's no volume. When you go to the salon, it's this magical look.
Right.
And then I noticed you were wrapping the barrel away from the face. Is that important?
Yes, that's important. We want our blowout to be voluminous and framing the face away from the face.
This is Anne-Marie, this is a different spot for you. You're usually giving us the tips, and now you are getting the work here.
It's so fun for me.
And you're going to have fabulous hair at the end of this. So now, okay, so we're going into a ponytail.
Yes, we're putting it all into a loose pony on top.
And do we need to have the cloth scrunchie? Is that going to be helpful?
It helps because a normal hair tie puts lines in the hair,
yes,
and this will not.
And we don't want that.
Do not want lines.
Okay, so it looks like it's a pretty high pony that we have going on too.
Yes, right on top
of
the head.
Now, does it matter which way we curl it on this? Because you're curling towards you.
Yes, so we're doing it in kind of a way where they're all just going around in a bun.
Okay.
So they're all going in kind of different directions.
Okay, great. Because I can see, so you got to roll away in the front, roll towards here.
Yeah. If you're running short on time in the morning, the great thing about this is you can literally just like throw it up, jump in your car, head to work, pull it out, run your hands through it, and you're like done.
And that's what we want, because I hate fussing with my hair in the morning. It always becomes frustrating, and this way you can just be going, and then it's also not going to get in your way while you're doing your morning routine, all the things that you need to get done.
Yeah.
Now she's putting the last curl in here, so we just are following around the ponytail. And of course, if we want to have salon-perfect done by people that actually know what they're doing, we can always come see you guys.
Yes, definitely. You can book at ottalaus.com, as well as we have additional tips and tricks for that blowout look that you can do at home on our blog, so you can check that out as well.
I love that you guys always give the secrets, right? Because we know that we can come and see the professionals, have it look great, but we can't come into the salon every single day. I wish I could. I wish I could.
I know, wouldn't that be so great?
Yes. Okay, so now we've got it set.
Yeah.
We're ready for the reveal here in just a moment.
Yes, we're gonna spray it with Apres Beach spray.
Okay.
This spray has hold and it also has oil for shine.
Okay. Should we do it? Should we see the reveal?
Let's
So normally you let it sit for a little bit longer, but this is TV, so we gotta fly. Here we go. So we can always go to Ottalaus if we want to get fabulous hair, get taken care of, and also your blog. All the information is going to be on your screen. Anne-Marie, I can't wait. You got to do the toss. And it's fabulous within minutes. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Mine doesn't look that good.